for most businesses, cold calling can be one of the best ways to get clients. And what they end up doing wrong is that they pay wrong people to cold call for them, which in return gives them nothing. In the end, their time is wasted, their money is wasted, and they feel regretted. But what if I tell you that you can cold call without any automation, without any person, without paying anyone, directly with a single platform? And no, it's not the platform you are thinking about. And what it is, I'm going to tell you in a little while. But before moving further, if you are new to this video and thinking who the hell is this guy, hey guys, I'm Krishn, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency, in which we help business owners automate their businesses by powerful AI systems like AI chatbots and AI voice agents. So if you are someone who is in the need of these AI systems and want to automate their businesses to get rid of repetitive tasks and streamline their workflows, do check out my website from the link in the description. So the platform we are going to be using is Retell AI. And if you don't know what Retell AI is the platform which allows you to make AI voice agents with ease. And for those who know about it, if you are thinking like, how the hell it is going to help us cold call people without any AI automation? So this is what I'm going to teach you in this video. So you can cold call by a new feature of Retell AI called batch call. And how to do it, I will tell you in a little while. But before that, if you have an agent, no worries, but if you don't have one, you have to create one, because obviously we are going to assign the phone number with that AI agent, and that AI agent is going to be doing the batch call. So you can go on agents and create a new agent, and you can create a single prompt agent, multi-prompt agent, conversational flow, and custom LLM. So if you create a single prompt agent, you can select from the following templates, or you can start from blank. I already have one, so I am going to use that. So for example, if you are in the real estate business, so this can help a lot, because this is the agent which is made for real estate agents. So once you have your agent done, you have to connect your phone number with the Retell AI platform. How you are going to do that? Just go on to phone numbers, and all of the phone numbers of you will be here. And if there is not, just go into plus, and you can either buy a new number or you can connect it with your number via SIP trunking. So I will prefer you to not buy on Retell AI, because it is going to cost a little more. Just buy a number on Twilio and connect it via SIP trunking. So just click on here, and you can put your phone number here, termination URL, SIP trunking username, etc. If you want to know how to connect your phone number with the Retell AI, just comment down below and I will make a video on it. It is really simple. So what you have to do, you have to go on to batch call now, and you have to click on create a batch call, and you will be on this interface. Now before that, you should have a good amount of lead list. So what you have to do, you have to first write the name of the campaign. So let's write one. Then you are going to be selecting the number from which you are going to be cold calling, and due to some technical issues, the number is not visible. So, and then you are going to be downloading the CSV and drag and drop here. So just download the template for a better idea, because you have to format the CSV in this specific format, like this. You can see the phone number here. There is dynamic variable 1, dynamic variable 2, and only phone number is required. And if you want to add more to it, you can do it. let's so I have created a sample lead list for the demo of this specific video. So you have to format the sheet in this format, and only the phone number is required, and you can add more details to it. Now we have to save this, and what you have to do, you have to drag and drop your CSV here. And as you can see, they are here. What you have to do, you have to select the number as I said, and either you can send now or you can schedule it according to you. And if you schedule it, you have to select a date and you have to select the time zone according to the date you are selecting, and it is going to show you the estimate time which will take it to complete the calls. And now the estimate time is around 5 minutes. And one thing I want to say that you can only call 20 numbers at a time, because that is the concurrency limit of Retell AI. What is concurrency limit? Concurrency limit is how much calls you can do at a certain amount of time. And if you are going to go higher than 20, you have to buy more concurrency, and you can buy it from here at the billing. So you can select it, everything, and just click send, and it is going to be sent. Now go back, and when you are going to be sending it, it is going to be saved, and my campaign is lost. Damn. So this is how you can do the cold call. So that's how you can cold call without needing any make.com or Zapier. And one thing I want to say that you should only call those people who has given permission to you to call them. Like either they have registered on some email list, or either they have submitted their information through Facebook ad or anything. Because if they will not, if you will call them without any prior information, maybe that can get you in a little trouble. So if you have liked this video, subscribe to this channel. And if you are a business owner who is looking for AI automation systems for their business, and now that you have learned how to cold call people but don't know how to create agents on Retell AI, do check out this video. And remember, it's just getting started.